Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Presenting before you a beautiful tray for the ring ceremony. Look at this amazing piece. The shower of petals and blessings of Lord Ganesha over the blissful nuptial bond. We'll be needing these things to make the beautiful flower shower tray. A mirror and cardboard of 12 inches diameter, glue gun, dried painted petals, Lord Ganesha, lace, flower beads and stones, foam, glitter sheets, CDs, tools, and the tissue roll. We'll be pasting two CDs together using white glue so as to get mirror finish on both the sides. Now we'll apply the glue all over the edges and paste the single strand of stone lace. Now keep it aside so that it dries and sets properly. Take a lightweight glass. Now we'll be pasting stones on it using white glue. The symmetry and design you can decide for yourself. While the glue was wet, the red stones were slipping off, so I kept it to dry. After the stones have dried, now I am pasting golden stones just to add on the beauty. Some stones at the bottom of the glass too. Once all this is done, you need to keep the glass aside to let the stones dry and set. Till then, we'll do something else. Now we need to cut the rings from the tissue roll. So next time when the tissue gets over, don't throw away the roll. You need to keep it aside for art and craft. From the tissue roll, we have cut 4.5 centimeters of base for Lord Ganesha and two rings of 1.5 centimeters for the engagement rings. We'll be stuffing the ring with a foam of same size, topping it with a round glitter sheet. Now we'll be covering the cardboard with the stone lace. Both the ring base pieces has to be done similarly. Now the base of the Ganesha is also to be covered with the stone lace using white glue. Using a sharp knife, cut a slit on both the pieces so that it can hold the ring. We'll be giving a cardboard base to the mirror for firmness. Apply white glue generously on a cardboard piece and paste the mirror. Keep it aside to dry. Now the stones on the glass have dried and we'll be putting some petals in it. These are dry flowers that are colored. I'll be using white glue to paste them. Just see, I'm pasting only on one side to give an impression just as the water flows from the glass, as if the petals are flowing from the glass. In the meanwhile, this has dried. Now we'll be putting stone lace to the edges for a beautiful finish. Now you need to keep it aside to dry. These 4 pieces of 1 cm each is going to form the base stand of our ring tray. I'm pasting them together and then I'll be pasting it to the cardboard at the base of the mirror. Now let's decorate the mirror, which is going to form the base of our ring tray. After pasting these flowers with the glue gun, I'll be pasting half cut beads at the center of each flower. Now the stands to hold the ring and the Lord Ganesha. First the stand, then I'll be pasting the CD that I have prepared on the stand, and on top of it will reside the Lord Ganesha. Now you need to pay attention to the technical aspect. I'm using a fork to make a clamp. Just see how I am bending it. The one on the edges are in similar way and the two in the center are in similar pattern. Once the fork is prepared, now we'll get back to our work on the tray. We have to paste the fork like this using glue gun. And sorry guys, I forgot to mention I'll be using 2 pebbles also in this project. Pebbles will be used to hold the fork. They'll be pasted on the melted glue so that the fork stays firmly. Once this is done, we'll be fixing our glass on the clamp that we have prepared. See how it holds. Now we'll be covering the fork using glue gun and flower petals so that the fork becomes completely invisible and a mystery. I have pasted few petals near Lord Ganesha and at the base of where the fork has been pasted so that it gives an appearance of flowing flowers. Here comes shower of blessing we need, with the shower of flowers and blessing of Lord Ganesha. How was the video, friends? Your comments and suggestions are eagerly awaited. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and the bell for notifications. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. Gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.